Hi, I'm Nelson from Dundas. This video tutorial is just one of the videos that we'll be producing to help you understand the features and benefits of Dundas Dashboard. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a standard one-level dimension. Dimensions offer you the ability to put measures and KPIs into perspective. More specifically, they allow you to group, filter, and label your measures. You can use these to filter on a specific product line, group data from various sales territories, or give meaningful names to some of your SKUs. For example, if you want to analyze your sales revenues over a period of time, using a time dimension will show you how sales have been trending by breaking down the measure by year, quarter, month, and day. Let's start off by viewing one of the virtual tables found in our Sonatica Dashboard sample project that is included in the Dundas Dashboard installation as well as our online demo. We're going to open up the Sales folder and have a look at a virtual table called Revenue by Product with an M in parentheses for month. Let's go to the Preview tab and generate the query to preview this virtual table. You can now see that we're measuring revenues by month and by product in this virtual table. If we want to analyze our revenues from a time perspective, we'd be using a time dimension, demonstrated in our next video, to show the sales breakdown across a range of months. If we want to analyze our revenues from a product perspective, we'd be using product or PID as a dimension to show the sales breakdown across our products or product IDs. If we want to analyze revenues across all of our products over a span of time, we could use both the product and time dimensions together on one KPI. In this example, we're going to create a product dimension that is based on this virtual table's PID column. Moreover, since each PID represents a particular SKU, we're going to have the dimension display the name of the SKU rather than the PID number. Let's start by going to the sidebar and creating a new folder under Dimensions called Tutorial. Let's then create a new dimension called 3.01 Standard One Level. This will bring up the Dimension Setup Wizard. First, we're going to select a base data table to use for this dimension. For this example, we're going to use the Revenue by Product by Month virtual table that we just looked at. Since we're analyzing our sales revenues from a product perspective in this example, product or PID is going to be our dimension. Sales representatives, geographical regions, customers, and pay periods are some other examples of dimensions, things that you put on the x-axis of a chart. For this example, we're going to choose PID to act as the primary key for this dimension, and we're also going to select SKU for display name purposes. Let's click on Finish to close the wizard. A dimension can be comprised of one or more levels. In this example, we're going to create a one-level dimension that represents our individual products. Let's rename this level Products. The next area in the screen shows you your base virtual table, Revenue by Product by Month, and shows you what columns you selected in the Setup Wizard. Since we don't want the PIDs themselves to appear on the dashboard, but rather the SKUs that the PIDs represent, let's change the display name column to SKU. Sort order allows us to determine the order in which these SKUs appear. We can sort them by PID, or the key, or by SKU, which is by name. We're going to sort by SKU or by name in this example. Let's preview this dimension by going to the Preview tab. Let's expand All to have a look at the individual dimension members. You can see that our products are displayed here, sorted by SKU. This dimension is now ready to be used by one of our KPIs. To see how this is done, please check out our tutorial 4.06 using an existing standard dimension to see how you can create a KPI that uses this particular product dimension. That concludes this video tutorial. Don't forget to click on this screen's links to access additional tutorials, our online demo, or to download a full evaluation copy, all available on www.dundas.com. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy Dundas Dashboard.